Hi, my name is Greg Smith. I am the webmaster for the National Association of Independent Writers and Editors. And today we're going to look at how to create your first post on your Nawi blog. So once you've logged in, you should see this presentation, which includes your dashboard, your home, and down below, you will see posts. And this is where you will add your first post. And click on all posts. And you'll see that when you are first logged in, that you have no posts. And so you have to click on Add New. Make sure that it's set to visual editing. Enter the post name. And then start adding text. Now, notice that when you add this title, it creates a permalink or the URL to your posting. And that is how people will access it from outside the site. So down here, this is my first post. Now, you can edit this in any way that you normally would any other text editor. For example, I can say this is my heading 1. And when I highlight it, I can go up to the formatting and choose the type of text that it is. Heading 2. And if you just want it to be ordinary text, and that's your ordinary text would be paragraph. You can also use, for example, if you wanted to create, say, a courier type font or some sort of code, you might say something like this. You can just highlight that and select pre-formatted, and it'll give you a nice courier font looking like computer text. And when you're ready to go back, just make sure you choose paragraph again. You can also highlight some of your text and make it bold, italic. You can create new numbered lists just by typing in the number 1 with a dot after it. You can also create an enumerated list just by starting the list. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. You can create a bulleted list by just clicking the bullet list item. If you want something to look like a quotation, just highlight it and hit the double quotes. Let's add a picture. By clicking the media, and then it will upload that image to the media library. Once uploaded, you can click Insert into Post. You can see that it's been added. Now, we might want to take a look at how this looks before we publish it. So come over here and click the Preview button. There we go. There's our little posting. And go back to the tab where we're editing. We can save this as a draft and come back and edit it some more later. But when we're ready, we can publish it to the site. Now, another thing we can do is we can tell it what category we want this to be in. And for now, I'm going to create this new category called Doggy Pics and add new category. Notice it automatically selects that. I'm also going to click the How-To button. Down here, you can add tags, and tags are used to help refine how your blog postings are found, and you can choose from the most common tags. I'm just going to dog and lady and intro. These are all going to be tags that I'm adding. You can also create a featured image. Now, this is an image that is shown on the page or on the posting, regardless of what text or what images are in the document. So this all looks very nice. So now I'm going to, now none of this happens for real until you actually publish it. So now we're going to publish it. And when we go to our site, you can see that our posting shows up as the first posting of our website. And over here on the right, you can see it says hello from Greg. That's our most recent post. You'll also have a digest of monthly posts. So every month, people will be able to go to all the postings you have for that month. Now, let's go back and take a look at the all posts. And when you go to all posts, you can see a list of all of your posts. You can also edit your categories. As you can see, we've got a few that we started with, and then there was one that I added, which was doggy pics. There's the uncategorized, and all new postings start out as uncategorized. Let's add another post. So here's my first book signing. And so I'm going to create a new posting. I'll be at the Barnes Noble. Now I might want to put a picture of my book in here. So I'm going to do that real quick. Go up here to add media and then upload files. Select the file that I want to upload. Okay, there's a picture of the book. Now I also want to create a link to my book. So I'll highlight that, click the insert link, and type in the URL and apply it. Good, so now I've got my link. Again, I'm going to set my featured image. And that pretty much, I want to put writing and publishing, and I also want to add the category of signings. Okay, so now I've got all my categories, and I'm going to publish this. I can now go to my link, and you can see the book signing has been published. But also notice that when you go to the home, now your home page shows your most recent blog post and the last blog post. So it posts them in reverse order. And over on the right, you can see that my recent postings are up here. And if you go for the month, you can see that there are 2 from the month of April. So that covers pretty much the basics of getting your first posts up and running. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, email us at info@nawi.com. Until next time, keep writing.